Welcome back to Steve's Small Engine Saloon.
Hey peoples! Okay, we're back, day 13 of 30 Days of Questions. Okay, why won't my engine rev up when I pull the trigger? Okay, it says it just keeps bogging out. Steve?
Oh, I like that. Not revving up, bogging out. There's a lot of other names that people keep commenting and emailing me on this. You start it up for one thing, and then it runs and idles fine. As soon as you touch that trigger and pull the trigger, it goes blah, blah. Don't ask me how to spell that. Blah. And it just falls flat on its face, and sometimes it'll even stall. First thing you want to try before you do anything else is just try adjusting the carburetor. Now we have videos for this in our playlists, how to adjust the carburetor on chainsaws, weed eaters, blowers, different ways to adjust the carburetor. Try that first and you might find, wow, that actually worked, right? The other thing is, that's even more common than a carburetor adjustment problem, is that your muffler itself is starting to plug up where the exhaust can't come out anymore. And so you have so much back pressure in that engine, it can't breathe, in other words. And that's why it's bogging out. There's a little screen right where the exhaust comes out. It's in there somewhere, and it carbons up and plugs up. Now your engine can't exhaust through there anymore. That's going to make it bog out and not rev up. It's an easy thing to do. You just got to either rip the spark arrestor screen off to allow that exhaust out, or clean it and put it back in, or buy a new one. Again, I have a really thorough, in-depth video in our playlist about how to do that. There's probably other reasons that it might not be revving up, but if you try those first, I think it's going to solve 99% of your problems. Comment section, if you have another suggestion for that, fire up the comment section.
But check out those videos first. I think that's going to answer your questions.
Yeah, I really think that's going to help literally 99% of you. That's most likely the spark arrestor screen problem. It just happens all the time to me. I've done it so many times.
It's an easy fix, so why not try that
first?
It
is an easy, fast fix that anybody can do. You don't need to take it into a small engine shop to get them to do that for you.
That's right. Give it a try. It's free.
Exactly.
Okay, that's our day 13 question. So stay tuned. Day 14 coming up. Ooh, this is a warranty question. I think everybody's going to want to hear this one.
Oh.
So,
yep.
If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. If you missed all the previous questions, because of course we are up to day 13, so there's lots before it, check the video, the description underneath, or go back to our channel and check the Saloon Mail playlist.
Excellent.
Other than that, make sure your bell notification is turned on so you don't miss the next video. And other than that, we're out. April and Steve out.